Welcome back, friends. In this video I'll show you a solution of a very common problem that might have faced by most of the users while connecting or opening the GUI interface of phoMyadmin in the XAMPP server. This problem is faced by so many reasons. It may be the loss of the files or improper installation of the XAMPP server. So without any delay, let's get started. So let me show you which type of error message you will get. Make sure you have started both the servers PHP and MySQL. When we click on the admin part, it will show error message like this. We cannot proceed further until we resolve this problem. So to resolve this issue, press the config and open the my.ini configuration file. And under the MySQL we have to add a line called skip hyphen grant hyphen tables. Make sure that it is case sensitive and you spell correctly, then save that file, close the notepad. Now refresh this. If it not work, then close the MySQL and Apache server and start it again. And this time the problem has fixed. You can notice by clicking on the admin button, we have successfully entered into the phoMyadmin GUI interface. You can do any of your operations. So thanks for watching. Hope this video fulfills your search result. See you in the next one.